Hello and welcome to the new collaboration called Flower Craft Festival following the hashtag Flower Craft Fest. In this collaboration, we've got Benita, Katerina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, myself, and Monica Papermona. For today's project, I'm going to use my new digital collection called Flower Festival. It has 10 digital design papers, but also 4 pages with elements to fussy cut. Throughout the August, we're going to give you 9 different tutorials. You can see the calendar here, which you can get for free from Buy Me a Coffee website, and I left the link in the description down below. To create my card base, I need 6 by 12 inches card. I'm going to score it at 3 inches and 6 inches. To make a 6 by 6 inches gatefold card, I need one more piece of card measuring 6 by 6.5 of an inch. Again, I'm going to score it at 3 and 6 inches. I'm going to assemble those together to give me the card base. Super quick and simple. If you've never ever created 6 by 6 inches gatefold card, I really hope you'll give this one a go. And today's theme is a border or a frame, and I'm going to show you how to create very beautiful flower border for today's project. So when this is ready, I'm going to assemble those pieces and decide how I'm going to decorate the card. And throughout August, we are going to give you 9 different tutorials, as I told you. And you can get the calendar for free from Buy Me a Coffee website, and I love the link. You can also get my digital new collection as well. I really encourage you to have a look at Monica, Papermona, Benita, Katerina, Lisa, Marta, and Mel. And all the links are in the description down below. So I really hope you will check all the amazing tutorials from all the ladies. You'll be surprised how many beautiful projects we can create. And all those videos will be posted on the day stated in the calendar at 6 p.m. UK time. And I really hope that you will give our projects a go as well. If you want to do it, all you have to do is to use that hashtag FlowerCraftFest on your social media so we can see what you can create as well with beautiful flowers. Now let's decorate the card inside. I'm going to start with some white panels first. So this one is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to use my liquid glue because I will have time to maneuver the elements. And when this is ready, I'm also going to prepare 4 rectangles for the inside of the card. And these will measure 2 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. And when they are assembled, then I had a look at my new digital collection called Flower Festival, and I chose 2 of the design papers. I really wanted something bright for the very first card. I do wonder, what's your favorite flower? If you do have one, please let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love sunflowers, and I actually created some of them in my digital collection as well. So now, as you can see, we've got a proper gatefold card. Let's create the panels. So I'm going to start with the middle panel first, the big square, using that beautiful purple, pink, and orange. So this square is 5.5 by 5.5 of an inch, and I'm going to put it inside of the card. Have a look at all the other tutorials by Benita, Katarina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, and Monica Papermona. Their projects are absolutely gorgeous, and if you haven't subscribed to our channels, I really encourage you to do it because we're going to give you some absolutely beautiful makes throughout August. So those 4 panels measure 2.5 by 5.5 of an inch, and now I'm going to assemble all of them using my liquid glue. So if you want, you can leave the card as it is, but I decided to create a flower border to make it even more special. And it is a gatefold card, but in the end, it's going to be an interlocking gatefold card, which I think is really cool to create because the recipients will be amazed how you can create it. So to do it, I'm going to use something from my stash, and if you have one, that will be amazing. If you don't, maybe you can use some circle cutting dice. I've got white cut, and I'm going to use my lightweight circle cutter from Made Surprise. maybe you've got a different brand, or as I told you, you can also use some nesting circle dies, and that will be perfectly fine. So here I'm going to create a frame, 4.5 inch, and then the inside will be 4 inches. And this one is very easy to do with that circle cutter. But as I told you, you can also use some nesting dies. And if you don't have a cutting machine, you can also create squares, and that will be perfectly fine, especially for 6 by 6 inches gatefold card. So, my border is ready. Now we have to decorate it. And from my digital collection, I fussy cut all those flowers. I'm going to do a dry run first, just to make sure everything is exactly where I want it. And when I'm happy with all those placements, I'm going to use my liquid glue and adhere it on the frame, super quick and simple. So if you do like flowers, I really hope you will like this collection as well. And I left the link in the description down below to buy me a coffee. As I told you, throughout the August, we're going to create 9 different projects for you. If you'd like to take part, have a look at my Buy Me a Coffee website where you can get the calendar for free. And this way, you can actually follow our hashtag Flower Craft Fest, and then we can see your beautiful projects on your social media. So this is ready, and then we can assemble it on a card. Super quick and simple, right? So I really like it how it is at the moment, and I'm going to place it on the left hand side. I really wanted the sunflowers to be at the top and the bottom of the card, and I'm only going to put the glue on the left hand side because this way it's going to work perfectly fine, super quick and simple. And at this point, I thought maybe I can add a little bit more interest, not only to give the sentiment here. So I decided to actually create a slightly smaller circle as well, using the same light purple color I use for the card base. Again, I'm going to use my circle cutter and I'm going to create a smaller circle. And when I'm happy with it, I'm going to create a slightly smaller circle using the design paper you saw. The circle cutter has something to protect the blade, and at this point I forgot to take it out, but it is very easy fix. So my circle is ready. Now I'm going to use one of the design papers to finish off the card. And I thought this one would be perfect. I really wonder, what do you think about the colors of this card? Do you like it? Do you think it's perfect for flowers? Or maybe you would choose different colors? Please let me know in the comments down below. So when this is ready, I'm going to assemble them together and I'm going to put it on my card, which is super easy to do. But this way, I'm going to do it on the right hand side. So those two circles are going to interlock to each other, which I think is really cool. And at this point, I couldn't resist and check which way the design is going to go. I really wanted to go on a diagonal line, but then I thought, maybe the straight one. I wasn't very sure, so I really played around with it. I'm going to put the glue only on the right hand side here, and if you do it, that will go inside of that flower border, which I think is really cool. As you can see, I'm going to open the card this way, so it's very easy to see where the glue is going to go. Now I'm going to close the card, banish it, and make sure the glue is set before you move on to the next step. So now, what's missing here is a sentiment. And I fussy cut the sentiment on your birthday. And at this point, I decided to actually add some dimension as well, because I thought the sentiment was missing here, like it was lost a little bit. And I'm also going to add some beautiful roses from that collection as well, which is super easy to do. So as you can see, I'm cutting very small pieces of my double-sided foam adhesive, and then I'm going to assemble those elements together. Super quick and simple. If you like gatefold cards, I really hope you will give this one ago. And don't forget to check Benita, Katerina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, and Monica Papermona, because it will mean a lot if you can watch all our videos and comment under them. That really makes a massive difference to us. So now, as you can see, the sentiment is ready, the flowers are ready, and at this point I thought maybe I can decorate the inside of the card as well, because I thought something is missing here. So I'm going to put 3 flowers here as well, including one of my favorite flowers, the purple one. If you know the name of it, please let me know in the comments down below. It is very special one because you don't really get many purple flowers, and this one is. And in this collection you also get the white version of this flower as well, and they work very well together. So the cut is finished, but I thought let's create a white panel for the back to write a message. So this one is 5.5 by 5.5 of an inch. I'm going to use my liquid glue so I do have time to maneuver if I make a mistake. And at this point, I thought I really like the cut, but something is really missing. And I had a look at my stash and I couldn't resist. So I took out a few pearls from my stash and I'm going to add them to complete the card. How often do you use beautiful pearls for your cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. So for this one, I decided to use a darker yellow because that really stands out. It's not gold, it's just the color of the sunflower. And the cut is complete. Please let me know what do you think about it. And I really hope you'll give this cut a go. And also the cuts from other amazing crafters taking part in this collaboration. So don't forget about our Flower Craft Festival following the hashtag Flower Craft Fest. So we've got Benita, Katerina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, myself, and Monica Papermona. All the links to the YouTube channels are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!